Hi guys, so today I'm going to be repairing this damaged seat. As you can see, there's a bit of damage here where the fabric actually locates behind the airbag. There's a little bit of plastic that is the shape of the airbag that is supposed to be attached to this fabric. Obviously that's come away, so there isn't any fabric here to reattach it. It's all frayed, as you can see. So what I need to do is to make a new piece. So the whole of this panel here will be replaced. So the first job to do is to remove the cover from the seat. So I'll do that now. So now I need to remove the airbag itself. Just normally held in by a couple of bolts. There's one here, there's just one on these. Yeah, normally there's two, there's one here and one here, but on this there's just the one. Yep, just the one, 10mm. So the airbag should now just pull off. I'll put the seat to one side now, I don't need that anymore. So you can see this bit of plastic here that was originally glued to the fabric. It's come away. So when I replace the panel, I'll cut the same aperture and glue that back in and reattach it. So that's off. So I'm going to use that as a pattern. I need to get rid of all the old thread from this piece. I'll steam this piece flat and try and make it kind of the right shape. So when I use it as a pattern, it'll be correct. Put that to one side now. Just concentrate on this now. So I'm going to steam the seams out so they're flat and steam this seam out as well, but try and maintain a little bit of shape in this. See where that should have been. So that helps. There we have it. It's a better shape. Obviously I've still got a bit of a bulge here. As you can see, it's coming away there. But I'll allow for that when I cut the new piece. I'm going to pin the piece onto the fabric now. I'm just dashing it in, not drawing full lines. Unpin this now, see how it is. Now it's just a case of joining up the dashes. The hot knife just seals the end, stops it fraying. I'm not going to cut out the centre piece of here until I've glued it in. Now let's remove this. So I'm going to glue it and then I'm going to probably stitch it in as well. Yeah, I'm happy enough with that. So I've glued and stitched this in now, so I'm just going to cut it away. So I'm just going to use soldering iron to put these holes in. So now I'm just going to sew all this back together. Now that seam needs top stitching, so it's in grey. So I can go back together now. So that's now finished and ready to go back in the car. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you again.